If I can cook it, so can you. Let's create. Lomo de Cerdo or pork loin. Look at this beauty. Beauty. And this one actually is perfect for the oven because of the nice fat. But I'm going to cook it a little bit differently. Just watch. And this is some of the viandas. That's how we call in Puerto Rico, like, yuca, potatoes, yautía, ñame. And I'm going to peel them, at least most of them. After you peel them, put in the water and let them boil. So, first thing, let's add the spices needed. So I'm going to start with salt. You're going to do that on both sides. Black ground pepper. Turmeric. So in essence, I'm doing my homemade adobo, by the way. Some turmeric. Oregano. Fresh and nice. And some garlic, which I'm going to mince. I like to go with the fresh one. You mince it so it's manageable. And you start rubbing this baby. You can do this overnight too, by the way. Make sure if you do the same day that you had the pork out for at least 20 minutes. So that way the heat transfers very nicely. Do the same on the other side. So I'm preheating a cast iron griddle. So I have here some oil, vegetable oil to be more precise, but you can use any. And I put a couple caps of vinegar. I mix it up. And you're going to do this like you were in the, grill. But actually you have to do it at home in the griddle. Might be raining outside. Oh, you just don't want to deal with the mess. You can do a lot of things inside and they turn out delicious. And if you can do it in the kitchen, you can do it outdoors, trust me. Due to the thickness of the loin, pork loin, I cook this one side for about 8 minutes. Ooh, look at this baby. Turn it around. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put an aluminum foil and cook the other side. What I'm doing is keeping the heat inside as much as possible. And you're going to cook the other side for 5 minutes, take a look, maybe 3 more minutes after that. But you have to make sure this baby is cooked because it's pork. About after 8 minutes, I'm going to flip it again. Look at it, baby. Going to cover it. Going to let the other side cook for about 4 minutes. You have to make sure this baby is cooked. With this pork. Cover it a little bit. Relax for 4 minutes. Now what you do is show you this. See how beautiful? What you do is, you're going to turn it on the side. Get that fat cooked. If you're outdoors, no beauty here. This is delicious. Get that fat cooked. Something to take about a couple minutes. And once you do that, time to get it out and put it to rest. And you do that by covering aluminum foil so the heat stays inside, and do this for about 5 minutes. Leave it there.